Here are 5 Facebook privacy settings you should turn off right now. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to begin with, open up Facebook on your device. Tap the menu from the top left corner of the screen. Next, you want to scroll down and look for Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings once again. You want to scroll down and go to Audience and Visibility. So this is the page where we are going to focus mainly on. Go to Post. This is where you could go ahead and restrict who can see your future post. So currently I have selected who can see your future post as friends. You could go to public or maybe just close friend and select the save at the bottom. Next, you want to go ahead and look for how people find you and contact. Over here, you want to go ahead and you could see there's people with your email address, people with your phone number. Select the option as no one and select the save at the very bottom. Moving on, you go to people with phone number. You could do the same thing or you could either go to friends only and select the save button. Once again, in how people find and contact you, at the very top you could see who can send friend requests. You could also select and customize this, either friends or maybe everyone, and select the save button. Now that you've done this, next thing what you could also do is, while you're in the same section, you have these, do you want search engine outside of Facebook to link your profile? You could also go ahead and disable this option, toggle the button. You could also review apps and websites connected to Facebook. For that, you want to head back and you want to go ahead and look for app and website. You want to scroll down to your activity section. Underneath, you could find app and website. Select or tap on app and website. As you could see that you could go and remove apps you no longer use it or don't recognize it. You could go ahead and turn it off as well, or maybe simply go ahead and select the particular app that you don't want to link it anymore. By tapping on remove, there will be a confirmation and you could go ahead and turn it off. Next, you could just go ahead and turn it off at the very bottom. This is how you should be able to turn off your privacy settings on Facebook. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.